Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. You really couldn't wait just one more second. Why bother using mirrors or paying attention when you've got a license, right? My mom always said, if you drive like this, no one's going to want to be your friend. I guess he's late for his delivery. This isn't the first time this has happened at this intersection. This car hits the back of a Jeep and then flips over. Had to double check to make sure I wasn't the crazy one running a light. Thank God it's the motorbike that breaks in two, not the rider.
A few moments later.
A bad driver never misses a chance to cause chaos. This driver didn't even realize he's going the wrong way. I was just trying to listen to my podcast in peace, and then this happened.
12 seconds later.
Why take 2 to 3 hours to clear the interstate when you can just go? These drivers don't know how to stop at a malfunctioning light. Just your average border commute home from work. I get that your conversation feels important, but it's not important enough to block the road. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.